Okay guys, step one, dividing your paper into 4 quadrants. Okay? If you don't have a ruler, I will show you in a second how to do the same thing with a piece of paper. And I'm going to use a Sharpie. I want you to use a pencil. I'm going to use a Sharpie so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. And now I want you to find the center of the paper. So you're going to go from corner to corner. And with your pencil, you're going to have a little X there, and where the diagonals cross, that's the exact center of the paper. Now I'm going to take a sheet of paper to mark off from the center to the edge and transpose that measurement up to the top and down to the bottom. And then I know exactly where my axis of rotation, my vertical axis of rotation is. Okay? And I'm going to do the same thing the other way. Mark off the distance from the center to the bottom and put that to the left and to the right of the center. So now I've divided my paper into 4 quadrants. Okay, so start up there, and we're going to concentrate on quadrant number 1 for the first week, and then quadrant number 2 for the second week, third week, fourth week, and so on. Okay? If you don't have a yardstick, not a problem. You can rip out a piece of paper from your drawing pad and fold it in half twice, right? So that you have a straight edge. If you do it with 2 pieces of paper, you can stick them together like this, and you can tape it if you want so that it doesn't move. And then you have this long straight edge that's like a yardstick. And you can use that to find the center of your 18 by 24 inch drawing paper. You don't need a gauge because we're not using these measurements. We're just using the straight edge. Flip it in half. Fold it so that you have a straight edge. So that it's a little stiffer, you can fold it twice. If you put the 2 pieces of paper next to each other, right, you can use that to find the center. You can use this method to find the center, right, if you don't have a yardstick. And then use the same method to mark off the center to the edge, put it up here, put it down here, and so on and so forth. And then you can use this as a ruler. You can place your folded piece of paper along your marks and use that as a straight edge. Okay, so you don't need a ruler to make precise measurements. Okay. So divide your paper into 4 quadrants. And then I'm going to show you each week we're going to do 1 quadrant. So for week 1, we're going to concentrate on quadrant number 1.